Alright, so as you can see, this snap ring here pushes down and there's lugs. It won't go any lower. There's your output ring gear right there. So that's there to stay. That's where that wants. It keeps that band from going too deep. Alright. Alrighty. Alrighty. So we want to put bearing down there. We want to put our direct drum there, which is good. Now we want our reverse band down in there, which I'll grab. Let's see here. So this SOB. There we go. Man. So here's our reverse band. And the two lugs there go against the lugs in the case. The single goes down towards the valve body. Bam. Now we need to plant it. So our planet goes down. Right there. So our planet world is that? Right here. Go. So we got the new bearing on the sun gear. Beautiful. We got our shaft. Man, nice. Nice. Alrighty. Let's get our sun shell. Light, man. There you go, man. Beautimous. So now we need our anti-clunk spring, which is this bad boy. Let's see here. Alright, we need a snap ring. Which is this bad boy. So I always put one end by the lug up here for the overdrive band, which, hold on here. Overdrive band. Bam. So I put one in there, walk this son of a gun down, and there you go. She's in place, and man, so now we need the shell. There's the shell. Alright. So now we have the forward clutch hub. Bear with me here. Got the two bearings here. Alright, so first bearing goes there. You want the flat up, the ears centered to the shell. See the ears protruding off the back. There you go. And there's that. And you want it down. It's pretty obvious the wider part goes down, the other sits there. So there's that. Now so you take your reverse drum and forward clutch drum, got to rotate and kind of very carefully get all this to sound solid. So there's our drums. Alright, so we need a overdrive band. So this is the easy part. The sub-assembly is going a lot easier than the rest. So the overdrive band is a bit of a problem. Can be. Alright, so grab our overdrive band. And this son of a gun will hook one. Let's see. There you go. Hook back there. This one's there. Now, if you put the servo in by itself, it will not catch. You gotta hold the band and everything else. So, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna call this a good time to quit. Band's anchored. This has to be, because I'm hungry, and that has to be way up there, because it relaxes beyond the pin where it comes up. So that's got to be way up there. So there's the main internals ready to rock. So we're gonna do a stop here, and I'll pick up with putting the reverse and the overdrive servo in, which this has to be done specific. This one doesn't matter. This one before the pump goes in, and the intermediate clutches. So we're gonna call her quits there. So appreciate it. We'll carry on tomorrow.